So guys, we are at the Nohkalikai Waterfalls, which is the tallest plunger waterfall in India, 340 meter in a single plunge. How do you pronounce this?
Klishad.
Klishad. Klishad. So guys, this is the way to Nohkalikai Falls, and before you reach, on the right hand side, this is the way where you can trek to the edge of the Nohkalikai Falls, and you don't need a guide. You can go on your own. Entry fees is 50 rupees per person. So let's go. The person there, he was saying कि उन्हें अभी गवर्नमेंट से सैंक्शन हुआ है टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ प्रॉपर रोड. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई गेस प्रॉपर रोड बन जाएंगे. टिल देन देयर आर डायरेक्शंस गिवन, कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाना है. यू कैन सी दिस आर एरो मार्क्स. We were like looking for life jackets as well, कि वहाँ जाके अगर मन किया to dip into the water, but unfortunately सिर्फ 2 ही life jackets है उनके पास, so which are already booked. आगे जो टूरिस्ट गए हैं कुछ, उन्होंने लिया है. इससे आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना like न्यू प्लेस है ये. साल भर हुआ होगा जो ये खुला है. ऊपर से बीच में तो रेनी सीजन था, तब तो बंद हो जाता है. यू कैन नॉट डू दिस ट्रैक. इतना स्लिपरी हो जाता है, आप उतना जा ही नहीं पाओगे. अकेले जाना तो मोर डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. Guys, there is a very tragic story behind the name of the Nohkalikai Falls. So there was a Khasi woman, local Khasi woman named Likai. Okay, so Nohkalikai can be broken down into the syllables of No, Ka and Likai. So Likai was a local Khasi woman, and Ka is a prefix that is used before Khasi woman, and No means jump. So if you translate Nohkalikai, it is basically jump of Likai. So the story goes this way, that Likai was a single mother, a widowed single mother, who used to live in the local village here, and in order to sustain her life, she worked as a porter here. And soon she realized that it was very difficult for her to be a single parent, so she remarried, and she used to go to work and leave behind her daughter with her husband. So and gradually the husband got jealous of the daughter, as Likai used to give a lot of attention and love towards her daughter, and this jealousy turned into like hatred. One day when Likai came back from her work, she could not find her child, but as she was very tired, she was very hungry, so she enjoyed the meal that was prepared by her husband. Then after she completed her meal, she went to have the pan that we call it. So as soon as she opened the box of the Bhutan pan, she saw that a small piece of a finger which belonged to her daughter, she could recognize it. She saw that lying just beside. I am just getting chills into even telling the story. So she became mad, and she could not control herself, obviously. She could realize basically that her husband had chopped off her daughter and cooked a meal. He threw the skulls and bones and fed the meal to Likai. Likai just went mad, and she started running here and there, and she came to this point, and she took a leap and jumped from the high hills here. Such a horrendous story. This is basically the dark truth and the dark story behind Nohkalikai Falls. first and second tier of Nohkalikai, and the third one we can see from the viewpoint. So guys, this was our visit to the Fly Waterfall. Amazing views, man. And it is true, you know, difficult roads do lead you to amazing places. This is really true. And this Fly Waterfall is the place from where Likai started running towards the edge of the cliff. Now we are going towards the Nohkalikai Falls, viewpoint of Nohkalikai Falls. And we are like semi-drenched. We need to get ourselves changed and then let's get a glimpse of the sunset from Nohkalikai.
Such a stunning view, but tragic story indeed. So guys, let's end the vlog here. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. We'll come up with more adventurous stories. Till then, bye bye.